How's it going, guys? I am your local hopeless historian, and today we are going to be reacting to Sabaton's Devil Dogs, song about the U.S. Marines. Without further ado, let's get into it.
One combatant may have arrived late, but not too late to be
This
able to
intro.
change the outcome of the war. Unexpectedly, it seems that this unit is actually excited about entering the conflict. And while their allies are in retreat, hell has just arrived.
Oh shit. I love these music videos. I don't think I would necessarily agree that you are mostly observing when you are giving military aid to a country, such as weapons and everything else like that. That is more like you're part of the war indirectly, but you're still part of the war on one side. I wouldn't classify that as mainly observing. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. So this is a pretty famous line by John J. Pershing. He was actually proposed to be a 6-star ranked general from December 14th, 1944. He was the general of the army, was created as a 5-star rank by the Act of Congress on a temporary basis with the enactment of Public Law 78-482. The law creating the 5-star rank stipulated that Pershing was to be considered senior to the 5-star generals of World War II. Can you believe how much of a badass this dude had to be for them to say, fuck it, 6 stars. You are superior to a 5-star general. That is so cool. And I trust this man's word that the most dangerous thing of all is a Marine and his gun. And the only reason that he was not actually made a 6-star general, or at least the decision wasn't made, was because he passed away before they were able to reach their decision. So the Battle of Bellewood is not only the U.S. Marines' introduction into the First World War, but it also gave them the actual name Devil Dogs, and it also birthed 2 Medal of Honor recipients in that battle alone. The Medal of Honor recipients were Gunnery Sergeant Ernest A. Jensen and First Sergeant Dan Daly, who would actually end up receiving 2 Medals of Honor in his lifetime. So the taking of Hill 142 is actually the reason that the name Devil Dogs has actually come to be. It is actually used in official German reports that called the Marines at the Battle of Belleau Teffelhauden. It has been said that this nickname came from the Marines being ordered to take the hill that was occupied by German forces while wearing gas masks as a precaution against German mustard gas. While the Marines fought their way up the hill, the heat caused them to sweat profusely, foam at the mouth, and turn their eyes bloodshot. And at some points, the hill was so steep that it caused the Marines to have to climb the hill on all fours. From the Germans' vantage point, they witnessed a pack of tenacious, growling figures wearing gas masks with bloodshot eyes and foaming at the mouth, advancing up the hill, sometimes on all fours, killing everything in their way. As the legend goes, the German soldiers, upon seeing this spectacle, began to yell that they were being attacked by dogs from hell. I want to know how accurate the equipment is. All my friends that are in the Marines are batshit crazy. And I love them. And this famous line comes from the previously mentioned Daniel Daly, who is one of 19 men to receive 2 medals of honor, including 7 other Marines. He is credited with the line, "Come on, you sons of bitches, do you want to live forever?" However, he later told Marine Corps historians that he was saying, "For Christ's sake, men, come on, do you want to live forever?" Daly was only 5'6" and weighed a mere 132 pounds. However, he was a well-established amateur boxer. It just goes to show, size doesn't matter when in terms of just grit and heroics. He received the Medal of Honor for his actions in 1901 and 1915. Shotguns. Was that shotgun? As somebody that tried to get into the U.S. military but was disqualified due to having rheumatoid arthritis and needing medications, my hat will always be off, metaphorically, because this hat doesn't come off, to the U.S. Marines and all my friends that have been in the military, and especially those in the Marines. You guys are all batshit crazy, and I love you. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Video done.